Mae'r grŵp yma wedi bod yn mynd ers rhyw 15 mlynedd. The group has been going for about 15 years, and in some ways in a society that emphasizes growth and productivity and progress, I think it can be difficult sometimes for elders to find their place and their voice. Dwi'n meddwl bod yna rhywbeth ella yn y rhan olaf o fywyd in the last part of life or in the latter years that we can make great contributions creatively. So this idea that maybe after a certain age that somehow there's nothing to say, my experience with the group is that's quite the opposite. There's a lot to say.
We talked about the world speeding up. And yes, we all notice that. Yet when we come here, we can be in the stillness within. And it's what restores us.
Yr iaith gyntaf yw ddawns. Oedd pobl yn dawnsio cyn iddyn nhw siarad. Dath dawns cyn geiriau. A dwi'n meddwl bod mae'n hollol gyntenig. A mae'n rhywbeth sydd yn gallu rhoi mewn bodolaeth y cysylltiadau rhwng bobl.
I feel quite whole when I come to dance. It's allowing us to be ourselves, or finding out who we are as well.
Roedd yn newid dyfodiad I Cain, ac ar ôl gweithio ar hyd fy mywyd 33 o flynyddoedd, a bod ar flaen gad, a roed lan, oedd na gwacter mawr yn fy mywyd I. Wrth ddod fan hyn, dwi wedi cwrdd â pobl reit wahanol, pobl sydd yn ffyddlon, ac sydd yn wirioneddol pleser I fod gyda nhw, gan ein bod yn tynnu y gorau allan o hwnna I.